So this is the second part of the NPC pedestrian system we are working on. So today we are going to say we have already implemented the character and also the NPC point, which defines the places that the pedestrians can go. And today I'm gonna work on a way to easily place those NPC points, which defines the NPC path throughout the world. Right, so at the moment I have manually placed these NPC points throughout the city, actually not everywhere, just to test few things like this, few points. So now also if I play the game, these characters, NPC characters, will go to those points like that. So this is what we have done so far, and today I am going to implement an easier way to place those NPC points that defines the paths those NPC characters can take. Right, so here I'll create another blueprint actor, let's call it PP path, pedestrian path. Here I'm gonna add a spline like this. I'll call it path, and then let's place this in the world like this, and I'm going to draw the path. Let's set the spline point type to linear. Press Alt and drag. Set the type. Oh, it is already linear. Then why am I getting a curve? Okay, that's also should be linear. Right, now I'm gonna define a path for pedestrians like this. Well, we can, if we want, we can extend the same path this way also. And let's not let them cross the road here. Oh, why not actually? Let's let them cross the road. Oh, what's happening? Right, now I'm gonna automatically place these NPC points along this spline. How to do that? Here let's create a new custom event. Place NPC points. Get the path and get location at distance along spline. Coordinate space should be world. Promote this to variable distance. Initially distance must be 0. And then here we can spawn actor from class, and for the spawn transform I'm going to leave rotation and scale like this and location with this value, and I'm gonna add this to a variable, an array actually, NPC points. This should be an array because we need to keep everything we spawn. Add okay, and here select the class as NPC point. Right, now I am going to call this in the construction script, but before that oh wait, get set distance like this. So let's say we need to place these objects by with the gap of 400 units. So let's add 400, set the distance. Now let's do a branch. If the distance is less than the total distance of the path, total length of the path, then we can go another round, otherwise we can stop. If this is true, we can place another object, another NPC point. Right now here, before doing this, I should first as if I place this on the construction script, this will be continuously called. So therefore there can be already created objects here. So first I'll get this for each set lifespan to 0, so they will be destroyed, and after that clear the array. Right. And save everything. And let's call this in the construction script. Place NPC points and compile. Did it happen? Let's add a print here so that we can see. Let's print the length, distance. Oh yeah, it happened. So let's see if the character can continuously follow the paths. No, it looks like it didn't work. Let's add a visible component to this NPC point so that we can easily see if we have actually an NPC point in the scene. Something like this. Oh, this color is good enough. Okay, they are not everywhere. If I compile this again, no. If I play, still no. Oh, wait a minute. I'm gonna disable the collisions for this, otherwise it will be a problem. Okay, I changed this print a little bit to show the object name that been spawned as well. So instead of calling this in the construction script, let's try calling this in the begin play. Place NPC points. Right. Now if I play the game, okay, now we can see the points everywhere. Now let's see if they can, well actually now they should be able to go all over the city. Yeah, now they are going. Okay, and let's try. Add in multiple NPC characters, so they will go in different ways. Right, some people are going over there, some people are going over here, and some are taking this path. Cool, interesting. Okay, let's see if they turn on those points. I'll enable debug camera and quickly check the other end of the town as well. Okay, they are getting closer to the end. What's happening here? They are also getting closer to the end. Right, they took the bait. Okay, what's happening here? Yeah, they are also crossing the road. Interesting. So they will continuously go all around the city. Okay, right, now I'll delete this thing I just added to show the NPC point, and I'm gonna stop this episode here. So in the next one I'm gonna work on a way to like spawn enemies spawn these NPC characters dynamically. At the moment we have just placed them in the level, so instead of doing that I'm gonna spawn them not just randomly, to make sure that player always see those pedestrians. So that's the next challenge I'm going to the next part I'm going to do. So here is the final preview what we have done so far. We have plenty of pedestrians now, and they are taking only the pavement, not the road as we have defined. Right. Okay, so I'm gonna stop this episode here. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club. Also, the project files will be available here for download. And thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.